The Season project is a project funded by the European Commission. It's part of the SNS program, and specifically it deals with smart capacity scaling and how can we answer the question, how do we increase in capacity using or relying on optical technologies. This is also in support of 6G and beyond, and what we try to accomplish is to define new network architectures that rely on things like multiband optical networking or space division multiplexing in order to support the increasing demands in terms of capacity. One of the key targets of Season project is how position is the optical technology in order to support the RAN. So one specific activity relies on RAN and transport integration, and we try to have key impact not only in the industry but also on research events such as OFC. So this very first year has been quite productive, and we've been targeting to have the basic foundations for the rest of the project. This means that from the point of view of Work Package 2 that deals with architecture and requirements and so on, we have worked on having reference topologies, reference architectures. We have worked on scenarios that we try to map the RAN towards the optical transport, and we have tried to define a set of use cases and associated requirements in terms of bandwidth, latency, and delay. In Work Package 3 that deals with the actual photonic devices, there's a lot of work on in terms of node architectures in order to support multiband over SDM in terms of optical networking, on the usage of smart transceivers and point-to-point and point-to-multipoint transceivers, and related optical technologies such as the PON, which is the passive optical network. So this year in particular, Season already has presence in OFC. We have had tutorial on SDM control for multiband over SDM networks, and we have had also a regular paper presentation on the usage of digital twin in the multi-domain context, preserving privacy. So it's already quite satisfying to have Season presence in OFC this year. But I expect that OFC being one of our key conferences in order to disseminate our results, I expect that in the upcoming years we will see more contributions coming from Work Package 3 on data plane and optical devices, or Work Package 4 in terms of control. And ultimately it would be great if we can close the project with some main paper that summarizes the main demos and integrations.